In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in Google Slides. This is a great way to make your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing, whether you're showcasing data to classmates, coworkers, or just for your own personal projects. To get started, you'll first want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Sign In button. It's important to select the correct Google account you'll be working with, so choose your account from the list. You'll then need to type in your password, and once you've done that, hit Next to continue. Now, to access Google Slides, click on the small squared grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon, again located in the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll until you find Slides and give it a click. Once you're in Google Slides, locate the presentation you want to work with and open it. Navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to insert your chart. With your presentation open and the desired slide selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. This will bring a drop-down menu where you'll need to hover over Chart. You'll see a few different chart options pop up like bar, line, pie, and column charts. Choose the one that best fits the data you want to present. A placeholder chart with some sample data will conveniently appear on your slide. Click once on this new chart to select it. Pay attention to the top right corner of the chart where a small icon will manifest. Click the three dots you see there to open a little drop-down menu, and from this menu, select Open Source. Doing so will automatically open up a new tab with a linked Google Sheet document. This is where the magic happens. In the Google Sheet tab, you'll see the chart along with a table filled with sample data. It's now time to make this chart your own by replacing the sample data with your unique categories and values. As you dive into this editing process, you'll notice that the chart updates live within the Google Sheet, providing immediate visual feedback on the changes you're making. Once you're satisfied with your data, return to your Google Slides presentation tab. You'll find that the chart still displays the original sample data. Not to worry, a quick click on the chart will reveal an Update button in the top right corner, right next to the link icon. Click on Update and voila! Your slide now showcases your updated data in all its freshly minted glory. Congratulations, you've successfully created and integrated a chart into your Google Slides presentation. This process not only enhances your presentation, but also gives you a versatile tool for visually representing data. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.